Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am participating in the Autoimmune Awareness Hop being hosted by Mayhem Crafty Cards. Now there will be a giveaway for this hop, so make sure you read the description box below for the details on how to enter. The card I am making is in honor of my sister who had lupus for several years. I will be making a mini slimline card using some Gina K Designs inks, lovely lavender for my background, and I'll also be using these marbled alcohol panels I made in a previous video. I'll link that in the description box below as well. Now the stencil I'm going to use is Simon Says Stamp's Clouds for Days. I'm going to go ahead and let my Cricut machine do some of the work for me and have it cut out my butterflies. Now while my Cricut does some cutting, let me share a little bit about lupus. There are 4 kinds of lupus. There's systemic lupus, which is the most common form and the kind of lupus my sister had. Cutaneous lupus, which is lupus that is basically limited to the skin. A drug-induced lupus, which is a lupus-like disease that's caused by certain prescription medications. And neonatal lupus, which is a rare condition that affects infants of women who have lupus. Now, systemic lupus is a disease that attacks your own body and organs. So the best way that it was described to us by my sister's doctor was that her body was basically rejecting her own organs as though they were transplanted organs. So her pancreas was affected, her kidneys were affected, her heart was affected, her whole body was affected. And she was on a lot of medication for a lot of years. She even had 3 kidneys, but that did her no good because lupus attacked all 3 kidneys. But my sister was a strong woman and she lived life to the fullest for as long as she could. We miss her dearly, and this card is in honor of her. Now the symbol for lupus and the color for lupus, the color is purple and the symbol is butterflies. I'm not sure why the butterflies, but I think it may have something to do with the butterfly rash that comes across the face and nose of people with lupus. And my sister did in fact have that butterfly rash. So I decided to make this slimline card using some lavender purple butterflies. Now the hashtag for this hop is Autoimmune Awareness Hop 2022, and I've listed it on the screen here. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.